They said living abroad is a dream, but no one talks about the things you won't see in travel brochures or behind every Instagrammable post that you see in social media. Hello everyone, Sawadika. This is Team Abordi in Thailand, a simple family from the Philippines who moved to Thailand recently. And yes, in this video, we are going to share with you 5 things that we don't like about Thailand. And no, hindi kami nagrereklamo. It's just the honest side you don't always see. So let's go! Number 1 is language barrier. So, simple things like buying medicine, mag-open ka ng bank account, or you will ask for some directions. Minsan, it feels like a game of charades. Like you're trying to speak in English, they answer in Thai. Tapos pareho kayong nakangiti pero walang naiintindihan. Google Translate helps pero hindi talaga perfect sometimes. It's funny sometimes but also stressful. Next is the heat, as in sunog ang kilay kind of heat, especially during summer. Like you walk outside for 5 minutes and boom! Pawis galore ka, girl. So there's a need talaga na mag-aircon, especially during summer season. Third is visa stress. Paperwork, visa runs, school documents, ang daming kailangang ayusin. And one wrong paper or missing copy, and then you have to do it all over again. Nakaka-stress lalo na kung first time mo at walang tumutulong masyado. And you're lucky if your school where you get hired has a liaison officer. Well, actually, it's part of expat life, pero nakaka-drain din minsan. And if you're not careful, hello, visa run to Laos. Number 4 is education system here is very different. As parent, adjusting to their school system is another challenge. And since Bella is attending the intensive program, all her subjects are in Thai except English. So wala kaming option or choice. We have to get a tutor for her so that she will learn how to speak and write in Thai. Number 5 is low salary for Filipinos. Real talk, maraming Filipinos dito ang underpaid. Kahit galing tayo sa English-speaking country, mas mababa pa rin madalas ang offer compared sa ibang lahi. Kaya minsan, kahit love mo ang trabaho, parang kulang pa rin. And ayun, those are the 5 things that we don't like about Thailand at the moment. Please don't get us wrong, we love Thailand and we choose to live here as a family. Pero hindi porket nasa abroad, perfect na ang buhay. Kahit may mga bagay na hindi namin masyadong gusto dito sa Thailand, at the end of the day, it's still a blessing to live in another country as a family. Walang perfect na lugar, pero kung saan kami sama-sama at natututo, so doon kami magsisettle. Ikaw, if you're planning to move here, ano sa tingin mo ang magiging struggle mo? Comment mo naman below and don't forget to follow Team Abordi in Thailand for more real talk sa buhay abroad. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and kabkun ka.